Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Volkswagen Golf, a GTI Clubsport that has just landed in stock. It does come complemented in the desired pure white paintwork, contrasting well with those exterior and sporty features. It can reach 0 to 62 in just 5.6 seconds, offering a whopping 300 PS. It is the ideal nippy city upgrade, housing a 2-litre TSI engine and plenty of top features, including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights and added protection with your power folding wing mirrors. These stylish 19-inch alloys do come with your contrasting GTI red brake calipers and further protection with your parking sensors. The boot offers plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the luxurious Vienna leather trim offers luxury and comfort, with access to your pull-down armrest and 3-zone climate controls. The front does house your electronic seat adjustments to get to required position with ease, followed by your multifunctional leather steering wheel and central touch display for endless entertainment. Again, you do have your luxurious GTI front leather seats with the added bonus of your full glass sunroof to open up the vehicle in the summer. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, with further safety features including your adaptive cruise and limiter and your heated steering wheel feature for the winter. Moving across, you do have a variation of radio stations to keep you well entertained, alongside your app Connect to stay connected on the go, compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For those unfamiliar areas or those who love to explore, you do have your built-in navigation system. Of course, you do have your on-screen and vehicle information to easily keep an eye on the overall condition, alongside the activation of your parking sensors and reversing camera, with your park assist to guide you into those awkward maneuvers. And for an enhanced driving experience, you do have your different driving profiles, including your Eco for more efficiency or Sport for more performance base. For that personalised touch, you do have your variation of mood and individual colour choices to alter the overall ambient glow. And for further comfort, you do have your on-screen climate controls with the option to set the rear temperature, with the added bonus of your smart climate, and your 2 front heated seats do also come with the added convenience of your ventilated option for the warmer summer months. And this is followed just below by your handy wireless charging pad, various power outlets, and of course your central cup holders and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.